Turning now to our weather first forecast, and the radar kind of speaks for itself, and certainly the stepping outside speaks for itself as well.
Oh yeah, for sure. I went just a couple minutes ago to check outside and I grabbed the door handle and it was cold. So that's when you know it's cold out there. But we did have a strong winter system move through last night, through today, and into this evening, and along just Kansas, Missouri, into most of Illinois, as well as into Indiana, Ohio, and Kentucky. They received very high snow totals, and these areas that are in dark yellow and orange, 10+ inches of snow and just icy conditions. And we did have some very minor accumulations in southern Iowa, just kind of along the Iowa-Missouri border. But luckily here in eastern Iowa, we did manage to stay dry and dodge all of this mess. But we are going to be staying quiet as we do head into this week as high pressure settles in. It keeps us dry, but with the dry weather is coming some pretty cold temperatures. And we'll talk more about that in just a second here. But for right now, we do have some snow and some flurries that are still falling. Maybe a flurry or two will be possible this evening south of I-80 as that system moves out, but the clouds will be staying in the area for tonight, mostly to partly cloudy skies. Temperatures dropping into the low teens and single digits in our northern counties for tonight. But similar to yesterday and last night, it'll be feeling a lot colder than the actual temperature once you factor in the wind chill. So tonight we'll be dropping down to the negatives, and tomorrow I know the kids are heading back to school. So as you're getting them ready to head out the door, and as you're heading out the door yourself, definitely layer up because it's going to be feeling like -3 degrees here in Cedar Rapids around 7 a.m. tomorrow. And then as we continue through the day, we'll have temperatures rising into the 20s, but it's going to be feeling more like the teens and the single digits. So just a very cold weather that is headed our way. We'll have mostly sunny skies tomorrow. Not going to help us out much temperature wise though. We'll be in the upper teens and lower 20s. But for tonight, we'll have the system exiting, leaving behind some clouds, waking up to the sunshine for tomorrow. It will be a bit breezy. We'll have winds 10 to 20 miles per hour out of the north, drawing in that cooler air. Then as we head into Monday night, we'll have increasing cloud cover, and the clouds will dominate through the day as we head through on Tuesday. But overall, it's just going to be a very quiet but very cool for this week. Not much to talk about at the moment. We'll have the sun around tomorrow, a high around 24, 23 on Tuesday with some more clouds around, and Wednesday through Friday through the rest of the work week, things are very quiet. We'll have temperatures taking a hit on Wednesday into the teens, but then we're back up in the mid to upper 20s by the end of the week and heading into the weekend.